Hello everyone, welcome to Yard Chat number 4. You can probably see I found a new location for the avatars to spawn in at the beginning of the game. And it'll be pretty unique. We've got this flat, which is actually kind of popular in VR. So yeah, this is the new house for the VR characters. And we're going to have a little bit of fun. So let's rock and roll. And why don't we do a bit of a cooking lesson with good old Gordon Ramsay. Okay, let the cooking lesson begin.
You need a really nice, robust tart. What we're looking for is a really nice, broad, flexible body. Semi-firm breasts, but quite bouncy. And then just lift up the skirt, and they get excited, so they look wet. Open up the legs, 2 beautiful thighs. 3 fingers, get your hand and almost treat your hand like a sort of whisk. Push your fingers in there and it's nice and moist and smelling very fragrant. And that confirms she's ready for up and down motion. That's not rocket science, is it? That's common sense. Do not be scared about the bottom. Don't worry. That's classed as the dark brown Rolls-Royce part. It's full of flavour. So treat it with some respect and get really nice and comfortable. And then turn her over and bang, up the butt. Mmm.
That is how you do cooking with good old Gordon Ramsay. Please press next button. It's in Japanese, I don't know what this thing is. What? Oh my lord, Well, I have 3 minutes. Oh blast. I'm just gonna go in the green room. What?
I know where I'm going.
You are here. What are these?
Damn it. Hey, come Sam.
Hey up.
Come. We're trying to... Come.
See paintball.
Hey, King. Come on.
How do I get through this damn door? How do I get through this door?
Oh, you can't. Whoops. Yeah.
Yeah, or that was Crusademan just making his.
We've got 3 minutes to do it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna be master one more time.
Okay, you do master
Master
it.
Shit.
I know what you're doing.
Yeah,
You
we
watch
have to
him.
find one
We'll try
thing.
and figure out the coin system.
I know how it works. We have to find one thing. Oh, Cam Sam.
Hey up.
We have to find one thing. I get how this works. My knowledge. See, I get a paint gun.
Red dot.
Yeah, that's what it was like showing on the map. At spawn. And then Sprack and start us. This makes me want.
It's very deep.
It is. It's like.
Oh, there's a dot here.
Oh. We've already found it. Oh, click on it. There we go. And wait,
I
give me
think
my
you shoot it.
thing back. And then we go to the master's room. It should be.
But there was more than one. There was a blue one as well.
Nah, we'll be fine. I don't think that was a blue one. I just saw one dot on the. I'll go ahead to the master.
Dee 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 dee.
Hi, Cam Sam.
Ekron, he killed
Hey
me.
up. Yeah. Oh,
Oh, how did you survive?
I have no idea.
There's only a blue one left. Winner.
Okay, we do have to find a blue one.
Like I said.
Sorry, you're going down.
Hold up.
So, we're not listening to him. No, nothing in these rooms.
Jump. Oh,
Okay, they almost killed us.
Jesus.
Cam, look in the room down there. When I do that,
Got it.
we're looking for a blue dot.
Right, that's the beginning. We've gone back to where we started.
There's a red dot. There's a red dot.
Was that the one that we just found
Ekron.
beforehand?
Yo.
Wait, Ekron, I found another dot.
Oh, Jesus. They're dead.
Yeah, I found another dot.
Did you shoot it?
残り1分です。
Let's go. Oh, it's red. Red isn't blue.
Yeet. Good.
Oh, come on.
残り30秒です。
Oh, God. Yeet. Guys, I found a blue dot.
Just keep looking.
I found a blue dot. It's here. Oh.
He found it just as we lost.
Oh, damn it.
Well, we get it
I can
now.
be a master now.
There's a blue
You wouldn't be
mark and a red
master.
mark inside the rooms. So we can shoot him. Right, we're looking for red dots inside the rooms.
Yeah, you kind of build the traps before the game starts.
Oh, my Jesus. No. Ah. I'm dead. Lost. Eh. Right, I found a blue dot. Found a blue dot. Sprat. I found a blue dot. Has anyone got a gun? I found a blue dot.
Found the blue one. Where is it?
Here.
Press it. I got the red
Got
one
it, I
earlier
pressed
on. Let's
it.
kill that son of a bitch. Let's kill the son of a bitch.
Yay. Oh. Oh, boulder. Ow, bloody hell. Go. Eh.
1分です。
The red dot came back. It was down here.
Oh, fuck.
You die, Cam.
Yeah,
There it is.
got it. Oh, blast. Bloody holes. Right, I need to rename something. Right, let's carry on. No, that's the wrong key. Oh my god. Where to go? Oh,
And
Just look through the wall and you can see the spawns.
okay. I need to form the Indiana Jones balls now.
Indiana Jones ball.
Oh, come on.
You got the blue one?
Yeah, I got the other one. There's a trap right here. Oh, I still fell in it.
Thank you for hitting the Indiana Jones balls. It's great.
No, he dodged that.
Okay, he's not gonna dodge this. Hit the Indiana Jones. Indiana Jones.
oh, you son of a bitch. We win. Sweet.
I feel happy for killing him, and it's actually
Here,
really
hold
fun.
up. Here,
It-
another
it-
perfect map. That's actually
Really
pretty fun. I've actually done it
hard.
myself.
Like,
It
it's-
is fun.
Oh god. Hang
fun
on.
to kill
Oh
you,
god,
trust
everything's
me.
crashing.
God, I'm
Oh
lagging.
god.
It's crashing.
Yep, the world's
I
gone.
know.
Wait,
Yep.
recently green things.
No, get the
It's okay.
fuck out of the world.
Just drop a new one.
It's not okay. You're not in a
Here.
fucking headset.
I'm dropping a new one, new portal.
An invite, I don't know.
Here's a portal. Come in the portal. Uninvite.
Yee.
It's time for free in
Oh,
space
the map's
too.
freaking out.
Yeah, we need to do this in another map.
Fine.
It does lag the game. Yeah, stop doing that chair thing. We win a game which we know is unstable.
Here, hold up. We drop some portal to like a stable world. Trust me, it's a really good world.
Or do you not want to continue in here? 'Cause I
Let's
might
do
record
it
this.
Here, let's just go to like a random world. Oh, let's go to the duck world. So, like that little duck pond. Yeah.
Oh yeah. The feed the ducks. Who's that? Oh, it wouldn't moving.
The Ekron.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
that world, yeah.
Ekron crashed. I thought it would crash.
Yeah,
He
I crashed as well.
I kept saying.
Hey,
I kept saying
someone
it
pull
would.
up the duck world. Or actually, spread. Or when someone try to pull up the duck world. Let me pull up the quack quack world. Here, let me. What's the world called? I forgot what the world's called. Here, I'm just gonna drop us a world to like the most random world. Let's do. Yes, Eden Bird Sanctuary. Here it is. New instance, Friends Plus.
You could just go to
Portal.
Skype.
Yeah, hear me. No, I'm not going to the Sky Camp.
Yeah, that's all.
What about the
Wait, what are you
White
gonna
House?
do there?
Again. Wait, it's a White House?
Yeah, the White House.
Actually, I'm gonna make more sense doing the thing from. Okay,
So we're going to go to the
Right.
bird sanctuary or the
See.
White House?
Three. Ooh, despawn.
Stuck outside the map. It was great.
Staircase.
Here, actually, you drop the portal to the White House.
Sweet.
I love saying that.
Wait, what did you want to do at the White House?
We're just gonna do the chair thing so I can record this. And it makes a lot
Going
more
on a
sense.
tour. I've never been in the White House before.
Yeah,
I mean, trust me. Trust me. Trump hid there last night in the bunker. Yeah, because of the riots there. Because there's been like riots in at least 30 cities, including in I think it's like really near me.
Okay, guys, here we go. Portal's open.
Okay.
House.
Wrong. Oh, there we go.
I suddenly understand why there's a screen here.
Okay.
What the heck?
What the fuck is this shit, man? Oh
The
wow.
White House.
What's Crusademan up
No,
in the
not
sky?
Oh, it's laggy. Wait, where's Crusade Man?
Look,
I looked up in the sky and he's...
look up.
Yeah, he's in the stratosphere now.
Oh, you dumb bastard, you missed it.
Yeah, he's somewhere in...
You missed the plan.
Fucking terrible. I'm like 8 frames per second.
Oh, God.
What you got today? It's okay, Gordon. It's okay. It's okay. Let me rub your head. That's right, Pitts. Let me rub your head.
Here we go. I'm the new kid, moving in, getting it done. I'm officially the kid, you know.
You're fired. Are we going in to be the president?
Yeah, let's go in.
Russia! Oh, I don't say, those damn Russians ruining everything, getting me elected. Turn that Japanese shit off! Bloody Russians! You there! Where's my damn coffee? Where's
Mr.
my
President?
coffee? I'm the United States person!
President, we have it. The lamb is raw.
What's that lamb?
There's no lamb sauce.
No minced my lamb, I don't know what it is! Why is there a Russian robot in here?
This is not Russian. This is
Oh,
just
I'm not
normal.
lagging
This is
anymore.
communist
Oh,
Freddy.
lovely.
I'm still a bit laggy,
Christ.
so I
Could you hear me? Could you hear me?
Yes, unfortunately.
Okay.
Unfortunately. Through there, I can't go through there.
Yeah, these are the only rooms which you can access, but then like the whole outside area is accessible.
President Fred, I'm fucking off. I quit.
Oh,
people quit when Rockstar Freddy becomes the president.
same comment for some reason. What was it?
What?
Oh,
It's fine.
of course you did. Okay, so where do we go now?
I'm looking at shooting, man.
Shooting.
Did you just put in the word shooting him?
Oh my god, not that again.
You had to do that right in front of me when I'm trying to look for a portal.
Now there's
Pretty good
the
voice.
Crusade. Oh damn it. Yeah, I can.
Just do it. Just do it. No, just
Off he goes.
That is.
Houston
right.
with
Flash in the sky.
liftoff.
Yeah, just wait. Okay. Here's a portal.
Yay!
Winner.
Wer hat den P? Wer ist da hinten das richtige Kameramann? Bruno, ich bin der Kameramann. Das ist der Kameramann. Das ist der richtige Kameramann.
Also ich würde auch schon sagen,
Hello.
die ist,
You called my name.
du hast doch gesagt. Halt die Fresse da hinten so. Spaß.
Ja, ich hab was.
What?
Du hast ja geschrieben, du kannst wenigstens atmen. Was? Jetzt erzähl uns doch mal was dazu. Ja, also wir wollen doch gerne mal was hören dazu.
Was gibt's denn da zu erzählen? Ich kann jeder normale Mensch Lost oder so.
Ja, finde ich auch. Ziemlich lost.
Okay.
Traurig.
Du bist traurig.
Hör mal zu, ja. Warte kurz. Warte. Mein Messer. Warte kurz, ich hab's gleich. Ich hab's gleich. Messer ist weg. Wo ist mein Messer? Ich hab mein Messer verloren.
Warum willst du hingehen?
Pass auf, ja? Pass auf!
It's actually quite an interesting room, even though I have no idea what these people are saying. This is something Ekron and that would love.
Pass auf, ja? Pass auf!
Why is there a tank?
So. Ja, das ist das, was
Props room.
Hallo Zahnbürste. Wo ist dieser Cam-Sam?
Ich bin der Bruno, ich bin der Kameramann.
Hey.
Ja, hi.
Nein.
Hey. I don't know what they're saying, I think they're Spanish.
Bruno, der Kameramann.
I don't know what that means, but I don't know what that is.
Are you Bruno the cameraman? Or who you...
I can be a cameraman. I can be.
Are you a competent one?
Yeah, I can. Yeah. As long, well, it depends if my computer's
Frag ihn, ob er einen
going to
Staubsauger
not
kaufen
lag.
will. Frag ihn, ob er einen Staubsauger kaufen will.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
So, what she's trying to tell me here right now is, I should ask you if you're interested in buying a vacuum cleaner as well.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, are you or not?
Okay.
Money. Oh, sorry.
I don't know what the hell.
So, yes or no?
Yes.
Alright.
Ich will einen Staubsauger
You
kaufen.
show me the vacuum cleaner then.
The
Yeah,
vacuum.
follow me into the props room.
Just, yeah.
I don't know what.
Wait, we have it here somewhere. We have it here somewhere.
I don't know what they're saying.
Look at this beautiful vacuum cleaner. Look at beautiful vacuum cleaner. You
I can't see it. Where is it?
He's a killer.
Sweet, I'm running. I am running. I am running. Sweet, I'm now on TV. Oh, Jesus.
A cake. What the?
It's fucking raw. It's raw. It's raw. It's
Me?
raw. It's raw.
It's supposed to be raw.
No, nothing
It's
should
raw.
be
You need to
raw.
cook cake in the oven.
Yes, we need to put the cake in the oven.
So you mean ice cream should be cooked as well?
Everything
You
has
put
to
ice
be
cream in the oven as
cooked.
well.
It can't be raw. Nothing
But you
should
cannot
be...
cook ice cream.
I can. I'm bloody Ramsay. I can cook what I can.
It doesn't work.
Every work.
Teach me. Teach me, Daddy.
Okay, well, you need to find an oven. Is there an oven in this world? I can't get it off.
Hab ich gesehen.
I can.
Ich hab ganz gesehen.
Oh, Jesus, why is everyone morphing? No, that didn't work. Come on. Oh, it's gone. No, it's now glitching.
Ja, die anderen scheinen halt ein Lila oder so. Aber soll ich dich einladen?
I'm just gonna move this away. Drop.
Lina, was machst du denn da? Was doch bei den Türen? Geh weg! Geh weg! Nein! Ich weiß.
It's my time to shine because I'm under television. Yes. Yes. But it's raw. It's raw. It's raw.
Where's the lamb sauce? Where's the lamb sauce?
Why is there a chair inside of me? There, I'm now sitting on a Hello. Why am I on a slant? Help. Oh my god. Louise Vladimir Putin. Oh my god, this is so slow. Oh, I'm eventually moving. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Oh.
Alter, Jetzt. Mein Platz. Arsch. Krieg ich dich. Kamera hier noch stellen. Hier. Dann. Kamera.
Kermit!
Oh my god, what's happened to you?
Junge. Die fucking Kamera drückt. Nee. Da. Geht doch mal wieder jetzt. Was ist denn passiert? Nein, ist er nicht.
Oh my lord.
Ich wollte halt wirklich, dass wir eine neue Welt machen, ne? Jetzt hier alles verwüstet. Nee.
Come on. This is a proud moment. Si carnaval sayang, oh sayo, Paradiso sayo, sayo skelesis finish nos miston fin, my bello, my fested, sandy sayan ho. That's enough now. Oh, the tank. My Soviet tank. I can't get in it. Hang on, what does it say? Hold to grab.
Then he will get a message saying to play with managers.
Oh, thank you.
Where's the lamb sauce? Where's the lamb sauce? Where's the lamb sauce?
Oh, Ekron's joined us.
Mr. Yao, what country do you come from?
I have returned.
You're returned to the camp.
Finish.
I lost the key. It disappeared.
Oh.
So we were going to keep on going, but as we lost the key, it really wasn't possible.
Oh yeah, I
Sorry,
did
Sprout,
try
we seem
to
to-
join you guys, but you were game. I couldn't jump in.
Yeah, we seemed to lose you. I thought you'd gone offline. Sorry about that. Right.
Oh yeah.
I just hit Gordon Ramsay in the head with a spade.
Well, yeah, I did go offline for a while.
Not now. No.
You want to go do some drawing?
I think we got to level 5. In fact, we did beat level 5 and we got on to level 6, and I was just like, no.
Yeah, Mr. Yao, you can join us.
To level.
Okay, I'll drop portal.
Host this time.
I mean, sure you can. And lag, oh my god.
Yeah, I'm lagging bad as well.
Portal winner since you're so insane.
Friends plus. Okay, get in the portal. Oh, it's like okay.
It's gone.
Just join Ekron or.
Sweet.
Just join Ekron.
Got it.
Just join him. He's in. Oh, he's in public. Okay.
I'm gonna drop a portal, guys. If
Okay, somewhere else. Play. Hopefully it does work. Because I remember I tried last time. Probably the last.
I just wrote it down.
Sweet.
I'll look.
I've gotta go. Bye-bye.
Take care. See you later. Take care, Jode.
I just wrote something down and read.
Yes, you are the only one that wrote shit. I will send that to him. I will send that to him. Red. Where is the red pen? Where's the red?
Please. Yeah.
And then they're all pointing arrows to it.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
This is rapier. What the hell is this? What? Sees that? Oh, this is amazing.
What is it? I'm supposed to be
me.
looking at.
Everything.
Everything. Yeah,
I'll be on.
Oh,
The
come
red
on.
line is a no-winner zone. You're not allowed past this red line, I'm afraid.
Why? Why?
Because right
this
here
is your.
says no.
And then this is the.
And the front of that.
And then this is the only
And
area
there's
you're
a
allowed
big
to be
sign
in.
that says no.
I'm inviting a toothbrush.
Yeah, we're just going to.
Oh, I can't bloody draw.
Tell me why I shouldn't ruin this for you immediately.
I don't give a shit if you do. Remember?
Wait.
That is your square.
Wait, boomers do have a longer attention time than Gen Z's. Like the page between 25 and 34. They watch my videos for a lot longer than these.
You know the 25-34 range are millennials,
Yeah, they're
right?
boomers. Boomers.
No, that's not boomer.
Yeah, it is.
Ekron is a millennial.
Look at that. I made a dough.
Nonsense, so don't even bother trying, friend. Just accept that he's always going to be a dumb fuck no matter what kind of re-education you attempt to do.
50% of my view female,
So
that's fairly depressing.
it is that.
And they really watch my videos half as long as normal people.
Probably because they see Stalin and think, oh, I can't that nice ripped leader of the Soviet Union. One of my real life friends joining don't be a fucking prick to him.
What do you mean? When is he coming on?
He logs on.
Right now.
He's coming now.
Okay.
He's a nice guy. I like him. He's a nice bloke.
What do you mean?
Wait,
being
is it the
an
one that
arsehole? You're the one who's more
races
likely
with?
to do that.
You have it. You're not allowed past the low winner zone, so actually you won't be able to do much. You know?
Here, hold up. Let me write something down like this.
How many of okay, there's
It's going to be a white line as well, the red and white line. You cross both
So
these
there's-
lines, you die a horrible death.
So this and that's enough.
Yeah, we've got more than enough people to play rounds. You only need 6 in total, plus a host of 7 in total.
Yeah.
When misspoken. In fact, you can play with 3 people. You don't need to have that many people drawing. We just do. I do like how this anti-winner line has basically turned into Pride Month, which is fine.
It's just pickle pesto's having a well of a time. Just look at him. He's like, "Yay, boy!"
I wrote it in all
Does that
blue.
say?
Read the lines.
Fun.
Read the whole thing.
Fund me.
F-U-A.
Fund me, Fox.
I am.
Fun time, Fox. Okay, delete that.
Hey, no, you're missing the other one. You're missing the other.
Nice.
I just drew a massive dome.
Go and look at the ball and you see that it's not so nice.
No, here,
No, Crusade. Don't ruin it, Crusade.
I wasn't on that much today or yesterday because I had to eat. I had to eat my nugget. It took me a long
There
time.
you go. It's fixed.
Draw your own thing.
That'll do.
Mess it up. Give me the
When
pen.
someone sit down on it. When
me the
someone
pen.
sit down on it. Here, hold on, let me sit down. I mean, nothing.
Fuck, I keep hitting my fucking desk all the time.
There we go.
Okay, my friend just got on. I'm going to draw someone. I'm going to follow spreads. Thinking.
Wanna fucking die, Sam?
Ah, I got a pen in me. Jesus. Eat.
Here, hold up. Just because.
Yeah, in a total nutshell.
For clout.
Just adults and kids drawing.
This guy has big ears. Draw Chad on this side. You draw the Chad family, and I'll draw the loner on his own who's drunk. This is probably the most wholesome thing that we've done all night. Except for Winner, he's just drawing.
What do you mean?
What is that actually?
Channica.
Are you making a griffin?
His name is Channica Scott.
Hold up, I need red for this one. I'll take green.
Oh God, yeah. Is this friend a fellow bus driver?
Oh, I've frozen myself.
Concerned for a while. Oh no, not a top hat. This is Karen. Look, Karen is really, really cross with her husband. Her husband's really happy. Her husband's like, yeah, look at me. I'm super happy. And Karen's just like, oh my God, why are you such a bitch? Oh,
Here, when...
Oh my God.
Come here. Look at this.
No, I'm doing my drawing.
No, look at this. You have to look at this.
Yes, there.
Here's my. I complete it. Come here. Look, you have to stand in this position.
What are the white points?
Stand in
What
this
the hell's wrong with his head?
Look at my drawing.
Bad.
What is that
I
supposed
don't know
to
what
be?
that's supposed to mean.
That's supposed to be a human being. It's a Channica. You know? Perfect. Does this look like the person who bullied you in school?
Yes, Winner, if you make it P. Yes, it does.
Okay. It doesn't.
Okay, now Crusade is drawing his beautiful wife. As you can see on my side, he's rather happy, whilst the wife is like, oh, for fuck's sake, Kevin! You have to be so happy all of the time! And over here we've got the lovely words like, lovely. I also realize what the white dots are. I can erase everything, but I'm not going to.
Here's the baby.
Can you erase this man? I want to make a bet.
All of the man? Or just bits? Okay, so basically, when you use it, there's lots of little dots that I have to kind of click on, engineer.
Let's just draw on top of Crusademan. Let's draw, yeah, let's draw a Crusademan.
I'm still Doom Guy, aren't I?
Crusade, move! Move, get away.
There we go. There we go, boys.
Or I will block you.
Use the rubber. I've got to check my
Ekron, look at my drawing now. This is me, as my brain is huge.
Who's
Yes, this is me. Because my head is huge. I'm a huge brain.
It's like something from Dr. Phil, like, you know, you got all these families waiting.
I'm afraid we're not approved that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Hey, no,
I can't do that one anyway, so that bit stays, I suppose.
Beautiful.
I want to get a good feel of this bird.
This bird.
See that image of that guy? That really useful.
There we go. Perfect.
And then hot doubles. Hot double don't have white. Yeah, sure, I'll do it proper anyways. It's the man behind the slaughter. 0.0. Well, it's a 2021 version of the man behind the slaughter. Drinking water.
Oh, he looks unhappy.
Nah.
Oh, he looks happy.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm just trying to get rid of.
Why? Why have you drawn a hermaphrodite? Of all the things you could have drawn, you drew
Crusade,
a... You're
stop
14, you're not
doing
allowed to
this.
draw this fucking shit.
Exactly.
I wonder if I
You're not
could
allowed to
set
draw
my
shit.
drawing
Winner,
tablet
winner,
to
take
this
this and
thing.
erase the penis, because I can't physically... Of all...
Okay, just trying to connect my drawing tablet to this, try and make things easy to draw
You know,
on
when
flipping.
you move around and it...
It didn't work.
When you're in VR, right? Let's go over there. So you know how you just move? You want to know how
Didn't work.
do it so you just move around like a normal video game would. And in your settings menu, you should see it says what comfort turning and personal space. Turn all of those off. You might want to sit down to do it as well, because if you're not used to VR,
That's a great thing. I'll be the guess. It's the straw.
What was winner at?
I don't know where winner is. Oh my god. And the room's crashed. We have actually crashed the game. Boy, I'm just going to rejoin this world.
comfort
Oh,
and safety in the top left of the menu.
maybe not.
You see,
Oh, I
it
was
says
literally trying to
comfort turning and
restart.
personal space. Yeah, turn them all off. You should be able to.
I can't sit down. No, winners. Bad. Oh, winner, I'm so sorry.
Hey, what
This
the
is
hell
a
is white? Can I have white?
No, because you're going to draw a cum, aren't you?
I'm trying to draw ice on this thing.
Take me to spell. I need my space for the empire. I'll see you on the other side.
Oh god. Houston, we have liftoff.
That space right.
It's better. Space chair.
Oh, I'm gonna give this a shot.
Yeah, you can wait.
Yay.
It didn't come down.
Space.
Whoops.
Fell down.
Oh god. No, Jesus Christ.
So you definitely
Oh, this is amazing. I'm going to space. Wait, what on earth? Oh my god. Oh my, oh god. Oh god, we're falling back to Earth. We're somewhere at Are we going around the Earth? Oh my god. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I shall see you all next time.